yeah, slime right here. Lots of lime. So this, I'm going to be showing you my squishies and slime. I usually show you my slime, but today it's going to be my squishies. Super excited, and I'm going to make my other ones appear soon. They're right behind me. Two times before, I think. I don't know. Or at least one time before. Sorry about that. I feel so bad for the introduction, but I really do. Got these. So, 4 slimes and 4 squishies. So the first one I want to show you guys is going to be squishy. This is this one is a very fast rising. See that? It's a very cool one. Oh yeah, please make sure to subscribe, turn on my notifications so you don't miss one of my videos. And if you haven't, please make sure to check out my other slime videos if you love slime, because I do. I think slime is so satisfying. People don't think it is usually always. And yeah, so make sure to go check that out. I'll leave them down description down below. But yeah, like I said, this is very fast rising. And it's really cool. So yeet. The next one is my slime. This slime is made from dish soap, baking powder, baking soda, baking powder, salt. I tried to do the and flour. This one, I'm not really proud of it. I tried to do the dish soap and salt in the fridge for 5 minutes, but it didn't work out that well. So let's try to thicken it with baking powder, but I ended up using all my baking powder. And it feels good. Like you could totally put this in, like a balloon or something, and yeah, it's just really satisfying. See? But it gets all over your hands. Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out a way to do this, but you know, slime doesn't always work. Funny story, slime hates me. Some of you guys might say, slime doesn't have feelings. But you know what? Slime has feelings to me. It hates me. It absolutely hates me. And I can tell you for a fact that it hates me. Every time I try to make it, it hates me. Okay, next one is going to be this fella. I thought he was just the most cutest little thing. And right here, it smells like chocolate. And I just love the smell of chocolate. It smells like dark chocolate. But look at it. It is so cool. I just think it's the cutest little thing. Look at that little face. I love pushing down on his eyes, and I think it's so satisfying when you see them come back up. So yeah, that's the other one. Yeet. The next slime I had on my channel. This is like all my slime, all my squishy video is this. is so cool. You can do the poking challenge with it. And yeah, it's really, really cool. It's like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's really hard, starchy. Makes it okay. Well, that does for that one. Like I said. Yay! The next slime we have here is this one. This slime is very, I used it from like soap. Like, I don't know what I used to make this one. All I knew is it didn't work out that well. But I like to feel that it's really cool and satisfying. I like to think of it as jiggly slime because it's really jiggly. Honestly. Sorry if you guys can't see that well, but it is, and I think it's cool and I like it. So hard to put the lid back on. Eat, whatever. Yeah, here's my fidget spinner. This isn't part of the show, but I think it's super cool. The next squishy I have is this one. It's like crackers, but apparently I have all the foam squishies and all the hard slime. Either the hard slime or the slime that messes up. Like this one and this one. Like this one or this one. And all the foam squishies. Like these. It's just so satisfying to feel. So, yeah. So, we're done with that one. Now, I'm really proud of this slime. My sister made slime. The other one I showed you. And I put glitter and this really pretty color in until I wanted to mix it in with my other slime. I used to have a gray slime. But after I did that, I regretted it because I really wanted to, have two slimes so it would be more. Because I always thought, if I have different kinds of slimes, then it'll be more. Just don't mix it in together. But, I did it. I regretted it. Learned my lesson. It's really cool. This one, it's actually pretty stretchy. Not to lie. But it is, and it's very cool. And yeah. And leave down in the comments down below if you have a channel or you make slime and messes up on you, or so here's 3 things that you can leave down in the comments, or you can just say something. But here's one of these 3 things that I want to hear you say. Any one of them. Your pick. First one. Do you think slime has feelings for you? Second one. Do you have a channel so I can go check it out, subscribe, and turn on your notifications? And third one. Do you make slime and it messes up on you? Or you just make slime and it works? I don't know. You have to tell me so I can try to go check it out. But, like I said, all my slimes hate me. These, honestly, me and my sister have made together. But she makes, the best slime, and I recommend you go check it out on her channel. It's Madison Oliver. But I'm Zoe Hoskins. So, yeah. Here's all my slimes for today. They were super cool, and it was super fun showing you them because my brother, he's not like a slime fan. I always need someone to show my slimes to, and it's like, okay, I have YouTube. They'll watch my slime videos. So, yeah. Here's that. I don't think I got to show you this one. If I didn't, tell me down below. This one, messed up slime. This one, the slime that like fast rising. The cracker. The real chocolate one. The slime. Oh yeah, when I was playing with that slime, focus. I got glitter all over my hand. And yeah, so see you in the next video. Bye!